So here we go with Andy Anderson, and Danny, his son, his pit crew. So as you can see, it's already flapped out, he's tuned it in, he'll let it go and you'll watch it build up to speed. So as he starts, normally race around a quarter to 3 pylons. Pylon 1 being the longest, one of the long stretches. It's like a narrow bottom triangle. You always call on that over a series of laps. Your time, you're up to 3 aircraft up at a time, and they do come together occasionally. When they're pylon racing, they actually fly around themselves. They stand in the middle of the course. If anything does happen, the planes will normally go out of the course. They wear hard hats. Helmets. We've done a little bit of this. There's a Reno 300 class. Basically, having 2 scale planes. The fun fighters are basically Reno 300 aircraft. The fun fighters came out in the early 70s. They had one of the first ones. Here we go. You can tell he's killed it now, or he's run out of fuel. Same difference. And he's got a long glide, as John was saying. It's a very, very efficient wing. He's got a nasty crosswind to deal with. Looks like he's going to be landing, I'm not sure, right to left, somewhere. We'll find out. It is imminent though, he will land. So as you see, he's going out a long way to go on finals. To kill the speed, drag it out. Otherwise he's going to go walkies. As you can see, it doesn't want to slow down, it doesn't have any speed brakes or anything on it. I think you've got that before, that was good. Yeah, we like that. You watch it build up to speed. So as he starts